Welcome to Reypurposed Made. One of the cooler parts of setting my own schedule means that I can create custom art furniture wherever I am. See how I take random pieces of wood and turn them into one-of-a-kind masterpieces. Please like this video and subscribe to my channel to see my latest works. You may sometimes ask yourself, is there a project that Reinaldo can make for me that's both functional and decorative, has plenty of uses, makes for a cool gift, travels well, lightweight, and is art? Well, of course there is, and it is this piece right here. It is a single piece of wood that I did the hard edge design on, and it can be something that's put on your wall, something that you put on your table, something that makes a table, something that is also like a food tray for like serving and walking around. I made this a couple of trips ago when I visited my best friend and her mom, and now it's time for an upgrade because you want it to be a little bit bigger. So I took another piece of wood and redid it. Thank you for watching my video. I hope you're enjoying it so far. Stick around, there's a little bit more. But I wanted to make sure you hit those like and subscribe buttons below to catch my latest content. I post twice a week, always every Monday and Thursday. And if you wanted to follow me on social media or get your very own Reypurposed piece, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, Etsy, and Gmail under Reypurposed. Thank you and keep watching. As you can see, even the simplest project has 5, 6, 7 steps. And when it comes to any hard edge design, whether it's a custom bar like this one behind me or the decorative trays and table toppers that I'm making now, the most nerve-wracking part is always the last part, when I'm taking the tape off and making sure that all those lines that I created are actually clean and not all messed up. And the way I try to achieve that is by using either liquid paint, like a flat liquid paint, or using spray paint that is flat. Flat is the answer, because there's less oil in flat paint, or no oil in flat paint, and when you take the tape off, it isn't as sticky and as latexy, and the whole pattern is ruined. So that is what I always try to do, and as you can see from right here, this one came out great.